It's February, which represents the month of love, with Valentine's Day just around the corner. And when you think of the word love and you associate, close your eyes and associate a color to it, you automatically go to red roses, pink roses, some form of berries. Berry pink, berry red, very subtle pink. So I wanted to come and share a new stone that Dean Davidson has, and I think it is perfect for the month of February. But what's really interesting is right back in early December, I kept thinking to myself, I wish I had a Dean Davidson ring that had a red stone, because I wanted to wear a black and white outfit, and I thought, ooh, a red stone would just accentuate it perfectly. It's like he read my mind, although I'm sure he did not. He came out with Cranberry Quartz, which is a stunning stone, my friends. It is beautiful, perfection for the month of love, February. So anyway, it is the signature necklace. It is so beautiful. I hope the camera captures it. I have posted it on Instagram several times. It is beautiful. The necklace is adjustable, so you can wear it up or down. So I'm just wearing it down for today. This ring on my finger, his signet ring, is so beautiful. Dean is known for his plaza ring. He's known for many things, but his plaza ring is just spectacular. Well, he then introduced his signet ring, and I fell in love. This ring is so gorgeous. It does come in the gold and also in silver. I'm not sure about the new Cranberry Quartz, whether it comes in the silver, but up against the gold, it is one spectacular ring. Look at how fabulous that is. He also came out with the stud earrings with the Cranberry Quartz. So I did want to let all of you know that Dean has a beautiful new stone, Cranberry Quartz. And as always, and this is not an affiliate link, Dean has offered us a code for 25% off. The code is Tammy25. All the links for what I talk about today will be below for you. And with your purchase of the Cranberry Quartz, you will receive this lip combo that I am wearing. Dean Davidson collaborated. He teamed up with BK Beauty, and this lipstick and lip liner is your gift for purchasing the new Cranberry Quartz. This is what it looks like on my lips, and this is the lipstick on its own, which is called Passion. And the liner is called Alter Ego, and on your lips together, this is what you get. I think, and this lipstick, it stays on, it feels great on the lips, so this is really a nice little free gift. Next up is this beautiful silk robe I am wearing from Silk & Pure. It is stunning. I posted a picture of me doing a little bit of self-love in my hot tub, and the theme was romance, and this robe was draped over the hot tub, and it is just beautiful. This is the full-length robe. It is in a beautiful soft pink. It's very romantic. It can be very sexy. Whatever spin you want to put on anything is up to you. There's also a code for Silk & Pure, again, not an affiliate link. It is Tammy Love for the month of February. That will get you 25% off her robes. And with your purchase, you will receive 2 free silk scrunchies, 100% silk, mulberry silk. And there is one hiding behind my bun there, all right? That's all I wear on my hair now. I will not wear anything else. Silk is really good for the hair. All right, so that is from Silk & Pure. You know, you don't have to be gifted these things. You can gift them to yourselves. Why not? Next up is from Honey Love. And Honey Love came out with a brand new color. This is one of their bras. These are the only bras I have been wearing. They are wireless. I really do love them. They have a wide strap that goes around the back, so there's no back fat coming out. This video is supposed to be about romance, and I'm talking about back fat. Anyway, it is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. And with Honey Love, I have a link that gets you 10% off. And it also came with a beautiful pair of briefs. I'm not sure if I will photograph that and put it up. I'm coming to terms, well, the reason why I don't do things like that, for one, it is the internet. But I also think there's a way to do them where you really are trying to just share something instead of the focus being on a woman's body. But I'm also coming to an acceptance of myself. You all know that I'm 62 years old. I've been through menopause, and most of my symptoms have gone away, but I still deal with a little bit of weight gain. That has prevented me from sharing outfits with you, and through some very deep thinking, I have just come to terms with I am a healthy woman. I will never be a size 0, 2, 4, 6. I used to be a 6. That's not part of my future anymore. If I'm a healthy 8 or 10, so be it, my friends. So be it. So I am learning to accept this new body because this body still does wonderful things for me. So I just may, put a photograph in here of the honey love. This is brave for me right here. I just wanted to share some of these new things. Dean's new stone is just spectacular, and the silk robe always makes you feel just special. And I know as an aging woman, comfort is very important to me, and honey love offers me support with comfort. So I will have all of the links below for you with the codes right next to them, and you can go and take a look around and see if it's something that appeals to you. And remember, romance does not have to be with anyone else. It can be with yourself. Self-love is so important, my friends, and having a little bit of romantic self-love, I'll maybe insert a picture of what I'm talking about. Just creating an atmosphere, an ambiance. It can be, I went and bought some roses and I put them in a vase right next to my hot tub. I lit a bunch of candles and I had a bowl of strawberries there next to me, and I had a book I was reading, and it was what I consider a very romantic moment with myself. And I think all of you deserve the same thing. All right, my friends, so that is it for today's video. I'm going to let you get out of here. Before you head out, I would love to have you as an ageless beauty, so hit that subscribe button. Right next to it is the bell that notifies you of all the videos that I'm putting up. Until the next time, my friends, you go out in the world and you be oh so lovable and treat yourself to a little romance. Until the next time, my friends, I love you all. BISOUS.